you wanna look it on Facebook, she's in there. Her villa.
I should lie to everybody.
It's just kidding. Oh, my husband, there's no sense of humor. He's losing it. He's hallucinating. Hi guys, good morning. Look who's in there. Look who jumped in. And he just like put his head in there. Look who's in there. And this one, oh, look. You're trying to just jump too, right, baby? You're a special monkey too. Your mama's special monkey too. Yes, you are a special monkey. Yes, you are. Look at that. I don't know, guys. He just love it in the couch, guys. You know what? We're gonna get him an old couch just for them. Right, Rox? Down now. Get down. Down now. Daddy doesn't like it. Get down. Down, Rox. Get down, Roxy. Down, Roxy. Down, Roxy. Look at that, guys. Roxy. Get down. Get down. Look, he's going to slide. Get down. He's going to slide slowly. Roxy, down. Get down. Down. Good girl. Look at one leg is up. One leg is up. What the heck? Good girl, Roxy. Good girl. Look, you guys are playing again. You're such a good girl. Yes, you listen to mama really good. Yes, you do. Yes. A good girl. Enough the kissing. Enough. No kissing. Mama doesn't want it now. Come here, Rox.
What? 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 What would you like to tell me? What's miss? What do you want to tell me? What? Now she's too distracted by your life. What? Well, Rox, what? What do you want to say? You want to tell me about your day? You want to tell me how you bothered the cats? The cat didn't like you licking him all over his face?
Yeah, she keep barking his daddy, guys. Her daddy. Like barking like crazy while we're talking. He just got home. And these two puppies just go crazy. Get daddy's attention. Good morning! Good morning. Good morning. I am worried about the house in my house over there because I have bonsai mail every day and no one will pick it up. They take that out from the mailbox. And also I think my husband will ask my sister-in-law because she's closer to there. She can pick the mail and water the plant also. Some of you guys ask me when we're moving. I really want to move before this year end, and also my husband think that we can move before this year end, and I want to have a Thanksgiving party in the house, and then Christmas. Of course, I'm excited, but I don't know when he's going to take off from work to do all this running around. Small things, not big things like bed, couch, a table. That's the mover have to do that, but small little things that we can do to move in the other house, because we need to do that. And hopefully next week is my, probably when you watch this video, I am already taking a class. Oh no, not the class, taking the test for a driver license test. I hope I pass, fingers crossed, guys. But yeah, so that's really it, guys. And it's kind of so freaking weird. I don't know what to do, guys. There's a lot of stuff, and goodness, not sure anymore what's what. Did you see that, guys? I don't know who scratched me, my husband, the dog, or the cat. I don't really know. So I am packing the stuff. I don't even wrap this. I just let it like that. It's not heavy. I mean, yeah. That's it. I'm gonna add a little bit more here because it's not really that full. So yeah. I am clearing some of the cabinets here. Yes, baby. The dog is watching me talking. Like, what's going on with you, mother? I'm watching this. This is not the price is right. This is the price is right. No, it's not. Let's make a deal. Win. Win. I was enjoying, guys. After I pack this one, I enjoy because you guys are comment the video that, you know, thank you guys so much for the 1,000 subscribers and plus all of you guys. I really do appreciate. Let me kill this baby. Oh my god, she won cars. So yeah, so I'm gonna just uh continue. But anyway, so thankful to you guys that comment my video. I really enjoy. As you can tell, I comment back, but some comment are too personal. I am making some mungo beans ginataan. Let me see if I still have my coconut milk in here. I have coconut milk in here. Yes, one. I don't know if it's enough. I have to go downstairs to look again. Look at that. Oh, you want me to touch my little girl. Oh, my little girl ito. Intot maliaunti po. Intot. You like it? Do you like it? Oh, my baby na. Uy. Yes. Yes. Look, when every time I talk something, a baby talk, they're all come like the real baby. You are look like a real baby. You guys are look like a real baby. You like it. You like it. You like it. You're such a big cat. She's a big cat. We need to diet you. Diet you. And we have to send her to the vet. To the vet to check up because your regular vet doesn't even come visit you. No, nothing follow up. So we have to send you where Hubs go. Because where her vet is a drive here. They drive over here and, you know, and they don't even follow up anymore. So we're gonna call our regular vet. Hi guys, I would like to say hi and a shout out to Maria Newhall. Hi Maria from Texas. How are you? Thank you for watching. Oh, there's no more. It's emptiness. It's emptiness. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking now. I will see you later. Every time I give them the bone, they're staying in there. They're behaving themselves. This house is always dark, guys. Stop your mouth. Speak. Did you hear that, guys? There's a dog crying in there, in the neighbor, and Roxy go crazy. There's a crying dog in there. Okay, let's go inside. Good girls. Misty, are you ready to go in? Misty. Roxy, are you? Okay, let's go in. Look, they know. They always know. If I sit in. Okay, let's go in now. Roxy. Oh, she still wanna do her business. She's not done yet. Funny. I thought she were done. She's doing it. Wow, it takes forever. She have to bowl. Hard po. Gitubol. Gitubol ka, Rox. Gitubol si Roxy. Roxy, gitubol ka? Is it hurt? Roxy can't stay put, oh. Gitubol ka, Rox? What's wrong with her? Look. I think she's having problem, guys. Look at that. She's trying. Look. trying to finish her thing. Hi guys, it's late vlogging. I was vlogging this morning and afternoon, but I kinda busy sleeping. Not really sleeping. My husband just get here. He has dinner and don't bring your ID, huh? I just asked him to go grocery quick because he's busy the whole time. This week, next week, whatever week, he's busy. So there's no grocery because I don't have a car. I can't do it myself. If I take a cab, it costs more money. So let him be tired a little bit. It's your time, right?
I'll stop Carvel on the way back.
Why did you ask Jilter her?
No, but I know that they would appreciate it. So.
Oh yeah, of course. Okay, husband is planning to get Carvilla. You know who is Carvilla? It's his ex-girlfriend. Her name is Carvilla. Yeah.
Where's that from?
You said you're gonna pick her up. Okay, so we're gonna pick Carvilla. I don't know why he's talking to her again, but so that's her name, Carvilla. If you wanna look it on Facebook, she's in there, Carvilla.
I should lie to everybody.
Where you go, honey?
I hate Carvel.
Anyway, guys, it's just kidding. Oh, my husband, there's no sense of humor. He doesn't have it. He teaches me to have a sense of humor, but he doesn't have anymore. He's losing it. He's hallucinating. Oh my god, I have something inside my gum, guys, that hurt. And also, I want to tell you something. Yeah, we need the rice because the wife is need rice and vegetables, and I hope I can find a pork flat belly. My husband's making fun of my text this morning or this afternoon. I just spell it wrong, okay? I supposedly soap, not soap. But you know what? I'm not perfect. So that's it, guys. Eggs, creamer, and onion and bouillon, and that's it.